Here are some tips on how to approach a thematic search and improve your search results. Let's assume our research question is, what influence or impact does the use of renewable energy sources have on climate change? Let's now try to identify relevant keywords based on your research question and then search for synonyms or related terms. It may also be helpful to expand or specify the topic with broader and narrower terms. Search for this term in singular and plural forms. Also, take into account the differences in spelling conventions between British and American English. When you want to find multi-word search terms such as climate change, which is common in English, the use of phrase searching is particularly useful. Phrase searching is when you search for a specific string of words. To do this, put quotation marks around 2 or more words. This enhances the precision and accuracy of the search results, but it also reduces the number of search results. The results differ depending on whether you use quotation marks or not. When you use quotation marks, the search terms are treated as a phrase, while without quotation marks, the search terms are automatically linked with and documents are found where the words appear independently in different places within the description. Another measure to refine your search query is the use of the Boolean operators. When working with multiple search terms, they can be combined in different ways using Boolean operators. The most commonly used operator, and, is used when all the terms, which can be 2 or more, should appear in the search results. This operator is a default conjunction, which means it doesn't need to be explicitly entered as a word. Instead, all the terms are automatically linked with and. For example, in our case, you could search for climate change and renewable energy. The or operator is used when either one or the other search term should appear in a document. It is particularly useful when searching for synonymous or related terms, as it allows you to find content that contains either one of the terms. For example, using the or operator, you could search for climate change or climate alteration. It is also possible to simultaneously search for a term in different languages. For instance, you could search for climate change or the German equivalent Klimawandel. The not operator is used when you want to exclude a specific topic from your research. For example, if you want to focus on climate change but not on the specific reasons and causes of the greenhouse effect. Another option to modify the search results is truncation. Truncation replaces one or more characters or letters in a search term. The most common symbol used for truncation is the asterisk, or sometimes the question mark. You can use truncation at the beginning, within a word, or at the end of a word. Truncation allows you to cover different spellings, search for terms in both singular and plural forms, or expand a base word to encompass a broader range of meanings. For example, searching for climate asterisk would retrieve results such as climate change, climate agreement, climate variability, climate neutral, climatology, and climatic. Furthermore, there is a difference between conducting searches using keywords and subject headings. Keywords can appear anywhere in a bibliographic description. This includes not only authors and titles, but also information about publishers, table of contents, and summaries. The problem with using keywords is you may end up with too many irrelevant results. On the other hand, subject headings precisely describe the content of a document. It is possible that the specific terms used as subject headings may not appear as an exact string in the bibliographic description. So, when searching with the term energy transition, we find the title Comparative Renewables Policy. Let's examine how this result is indexed with subject headings. Here we find renewable energy sources. Now we could initiate a new search using this subject heading. Using the appropriate subject heading may yield fewer results, but they are likely to be more relevant. These search options apply not only to our online catalogue, but also to other research tools, such as databases. If you encounter any issues or need specific details, it is best to consult the respective help pages for guidance.